This is the electric salt and pepper grinder set. Inside the box are the following: salt and pepper grinder set, stand base, brush, and user's manual. Here are the product features of this electric salt and pepper grinder set. The salt and pepper grinder set is powered by 4 AAA batteries, which is not included, and its unique battery compartment, making this grinder set easy to put the batteries. This grinder set is very easy to use. You just need to put the salt and peppercorn, seal the cover to keep your spices fresh. With the one-hand operation of this electric salt and pepper grinder set, you just simply press the button to activate the automatic grinding of salt and pepper. This electric salt and pepper grinder set features 5 levels of coarseness and achieves the perfect seasoning with adjustable coarseness by rotating the ceramic grinder. This grinder set comes with LED lights, making this set ideal for low light conditions. This sleek, space gray pepper grinder mill includes a stand base for easy storage, organization, and efficiently gathers the ground seasoning, and it can be easily cleaned. This electric salt and pepper grinder set comes with a brush and designed to effectively clean both the grinding mechanism and the seasoning compartments. This is the electric salt and pepper grinder set.